Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have made a lot of videos related to Instagram tricks. So if you are new to my channel, then please go and check it out. So today's video will be about how we can permanently delete an Instagram account. So without wasting your time, let's start our video. First of all, if you open our Instagram account and if I go to my profile section and if I select settings, then you can see that here there are no any option for deleting our Instagram account. Okay, so all you have to do is just go back to your home page and open any browser. I will just open UC browser. Now here type instagram.com. Now you have to log into your Instagram account by using your Instagram username and password. Now I have entered my username and password here. Now I will just log in. Now from here you have to go to profile section. Just select settings. Now just scroll down and click on help center. You have to scroll down and click managing your account. Select this option. And from here just select delete your account. Here there are three options. If you want to temporarily disable your account, then you can select first option. In this video, as we are permanently deleting our account, so I will select the second option. Click on this delete your account page. You have to select any reason why are you deleting your account. So I will just click on this and select any option. You can select any option. So I will just select privacy concerns and click on this OK. So here you have to re-enter your password. Just re-enter your password. And now click on this permanently delete my account. Now they will ask for if you want to permanently delete your account, you just have to click on this OK. But as I am not deleting my account, I have just made this video for tutorial purpose, so I will just cancel. If you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, then you have to select OK. After selecting OK, your account will be deleted permanently. Okay, so that's all for now. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon. I'll be back with another video. Until then, goodbye and take care.